What's up, guys, man? Next day here, we are back in the city, man. We about to go pull up on my dog Dre, man, and check out this bike. You guys know I have not seen the frame since it's been powder coated and painted. I know you guys might have seen it already on Dre's channel. I have not seen it in person yet, so I'm on my way to go check that out, and then from there we're gonna go pick up all the stuff from Antonio. I just want to get these forks out real quick so I can just have that much more space to get these tins and every body pieces back, like scratch free and everything. So just gonna go check this out real quick, and then we'll go to Antonio's and get back to putting this bike together, man. So bear with us, and let's get it going, man. Just like that, man, we pulled up to the shop. My boy over there already been getting cracking since early this morning. But ooh, to the wee. Oh, I don't got no flash on. Hold up. Ooh wee. Look at the blue and everything on that thing. Yes, that is not white. It's like a off-white, like a gray, off-white gray. Man, they got this thing looking good. Look at this candy blue on here. Now, when I first seen this, I was like, okay, hard. Now, when I looked at my paint set, I was like, it might not match. But looking at this thing in person, man, I feel like this thing is going to be hard as heck. Hard as heck, man. I cannot wait. We got a few pieces over here as well. All our hand controls and stuff is powder coated candy blue. Still got our last set to pretty much take and get handled, but all of this is probably going to be black and or that white gray or whatever. But it does look good, man. I am digging it. We got to go to Antonio's to scoop our paint set. Then we got to go to the powder coat shop to get all our little pieces in the top of our motor. So a couple of things to do today, but should be a pretty fun day, man. Pretty productive day at that. So let's see what we can get done and go scoop up these parts real quick. And before we go to Antonio's, man, my boy that loaded up everything. Man, this is his paint set. About to come with it. Fly color gang, man. You see what's going on. As soon as I come out, he go in. We're gonna both be out about the same time, a day or two apart, if that. But man, we about to come with it, man. So I can't wait. Let's get to Antonio's, dog. Feel me? Big truck gang, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We sliding back to back in them 4x4 joints. Big truck slide, lifted and all that, man. We done came a long way, dude. That's crazy. If y'all see where we started with everything, man, y'all be surprised too. And why is she just sitting out here with a fake ass? What the fuck? And a dog. Just pulled up to the homie house, about to load him up. Oh my God, I haven't even seen this thing in person. Man, y'all seeing it just with me for the first time. Man, this thing is freaking hard. Damn, I'm digging this blue and yellow, man. That thing bright, look real good. It definitely look good, man. Y'all get a taste of how we about to come, man. Oh my God, it's flood season, man. Man, y'all see the little details. It actually already looked done, but we don't have the body pieces on here. You really wouldn't even know that because it's just so much going on, man. This thing looks literally really good and complete. I'm digging it, man. I am digging it. Got everything pretty much ready to go. Taking it back up to the shop. Get the last few pieces on there. Then it's a done data, man. But let's load this thing up real quick and get up out of here. Just like that, man, we got this thing loaded up. Everybody gonna be looking at this, turning heads, about to wreck, because this thing on the back of here breaking freaking necks and stuff, man. Look at that blue. Thing look good, dog. I can dig it. Just wait on it though, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just pulled up to the powder coat, man. We gotta see what these things is looking like. Ooh, they got the booth over there going crazy. I need to see this for my next color, man. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Yeah, they did that.
What?
They did that, Jackie. Looks really good. Really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just pulled up to Tonio's. And it's time to get this paint set loaded up and get this bike back, getting put back together. Yeah, Tonio, what up, man? Oh, this the next project, huh? Yeah. What color? Same color? Oh, okay, nice. A lot of body work. A lot of body work. All right, so I can start taking it to the car? Okay. So I'm gonna just start loading this up and I'll get back to y'all in a sec. And just like that, we all loaded up. I should open this top so we can get some sun view on this. I think I'm gonna do that, but we are loaded up. Oh my God, that thing looks freaking beautiful. So I got most of my stuff in there and we already took out bro's stuff. So he dropping his off literally right now. So by the time he finished mine, his paint set, or right before he finished mine, literally should be coming out. But I think I might have spilled some gas. It is in here. We got the saddlebags down there. But we'll be good. Bro bike right there, and he's in here dropping his stuff off. So let's go tune in with him real quick. Feel me? Got some fenders and stuff. Everything getting dropped off. Ready to go, man. Got it going now. Got it going now, man. We in the game, man. Going up. Ooh, it's game time. Man, that paint set dropped off, man. Ain't no turning back, man. It's a done data. Alrighty, guys. We done finally made it back to the shop, man. Got these new bars that I ordered. But check this, look. Check this out. So these right here are the old bars that I had took off the Street Glide. Now, if you put these things next to each other, the ones that were on there are definitely a 14. So these smaller bars are definitely not going to work. I'm going to have to take these back. Not take them back, but actually just ship them back. And we'll get our money back on those. But in the meantime, we got to find some bigger bars because I was trying to keep it conservative because I didn't know how long the bar wire was. I wasn't trying to buy some extra stuff. But if you see how long these wires are, man, we got a lot of room to go. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and grab the same size that I had on my CVO, if not these 14. So we'll have to see if we can get those here in LA. If not, we'll try to see what we can do. But we do got all our parts and stuff over here lined up, ready to go. So now it's just a matter of putting this thing back together, man. Getting this motor on the frame. That's probably going to be the hardest part here. Getting the motor back on the frame. Ooh, that light helped out. And then from there on, man, it's pretty much game on. So let's see what we can get done. If anything, man, because we done did a lot today already. But let's see what we could do. And then we'll go from there, man. Man, look at this blue on this motherfucker, dog. Ooh, look at the candy on that joint. Look at that. Y'all just get a little quick little mock-up of how it's gonna be. Man, this thing is gonna flow right along with that. It is a little bit darker, but it is gonna flow. Trust me, it's gonna look hard, man. So, can't wait to see what this thing is gonna look like. Ooh, wee. Man, that blue is killing. I'm digging it, man. Digging it. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below what y'all think about it. And just like that, y'all, we got the motor back on this joint, man. This thing is looking, well, coming together. I mean, this thing looked like a spider web to me, man. You know, he more comfortable with it than I am, but we getting this wiring harness on this joint now. So I don't want to say only a matter of time, but literally, you know, it's a matter of time. It's all putting it back together. The motor was literally the hardest part. Well, for me at least. You feel me? Now it's on there. You feel me? It's just a matter of connecting the dots now. So we're gonna get back to it and get it in, man. And just like that, we got this thing on there. We pretty much done for the day, man. But the motor is on the frame. The wiring harness is on that joint. The bars are here just for mock-up because I got to go get some different bars. The bars I got was too small. So pretty much tomorrow we're going to come in and just pretty much tidy everything up. Just get it that much more done, man. It was a whole lot that he did today, man. Even this was like literally the hardest part. From here on out, it's just a matter of plugging and play and putting everything where it needs to be. We got all of our parts here ready to go. Can't wait to see this thing shine. So you see what's going on, man. His bike is coming right along. He just dropped his paint set off today, man. So it's only a matter of time. So alrighty, guys, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got a bunch of stuff done on the Street Glide. We picked up a bunch of stuff. I literally have to pick up the rim and take a couple of things to Antonio right now. But man, my boy went hard today, man. Go follow Kicks by Dre. My dog went in today, man. Got that thing back going, man. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.